Hi, 你好 Form 4 Bio Chapter 5 Video Number 1 New title 新的 title Metabolism and Enzymes Metabolism 新陈代谢 and the enzyme Okay what is enzyme metabolism 新陈代谢 is okay but what is mean by enzymes if you check dictionary they give you two words 它给你两个字 and the first one's 这个字 Okay. Sorry, I write slow. Okay. I don't know how to read. 不会读，可能是没 I don't know. But beside this, they give you another words. 它又给你另外一个字 enzymes. And this one will be more famous. 这个比较多人会了 Okay. 酵素对吧酵 Okay. So enzyme, this is what we call 酵素啦 So not, if I'm wrong, please correct me. 如果我错告诉我了哈。酵素。So enzymes, metabolism and enzymes 新陈代谢 and the enzymes. So now we start the first title called metabolism. Okay, metabolism 新陈代谢先。Okay. The term metabolism in the cells. Thousands of biochemical reactions take place in the cells simultaneously at the same time. So every day, 24 hours, there are thousands of biochemical reactions take place in our cells. 细胞里面有百万亿个的化学反应 biochemical reactions. And all the biochemical reactions here, we can call them as metabolism. 这些 biochemical reaction, 这些细胞的化学反应都可以称为 metabolism, 新陈代谢 Okay? So all the biochemical reactions that take place in the living organism are called metabolism. 这些细胞进行的化学反应就可以称为 metabolism 新陈代谢啦 Okay? So what I mean by metabolism, the biochemical reaction that take place in the cell 就是细胞身体里面的化学反应 But when we talk about when we talk about metabolism, we're having two types of metabolism. 我们可以把它分成两种 Okay? So cell metabolism allows the formation and the breakdown of complex compound. Cell metabolism 细胞的新陈代谢 they allow the formation. This is number one. 它允许你形成 or maybe breakdowns. Another one, breakdown 就是解散 of complex compound. So 把你吃到的东西吸收到的东西呢变成复杂的矿物质变成复杂的化合物 or maybe you decompose 你把复杂的化合物呢解散变成简单的矿物质 Okay? So cell metabolism allow the formations and also the breakdown of complex compound 你可能形成复杂的化合物你可能解散那些复杂的化合物 Okay? So metabolism can be divided into two types 可以分成两种Anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism, catabolism. Okay, so now we go one by one. 我们一个一个看 Anabolism and catabolism. What are the difference between these two? Metabolism. 这两种的 metabolism 有什么差别呢 Okay, so highlight first. So what is mean by anabolism? 什么叫 anabolisms? Okay, so this is a process that you using the simple molecule 它就是一个过程 that our body cell using the simple molecule 在我们的身体里面用简单的 molecule 分子 and now to form the complex molecule 把简单的小小化学分子 join together synthesize 合成结合 join together become the complex molecule and the process involves the use of energy 这个过程呢它把周围环境的能量吸进来放在你的 complex molecule 里面 Okay? So the process using the energy 它会用掉你的能量啦它收藏能量Okay, so where is the energy? 能量最后收在哪里呢 So this is a simple molecule. This is a simple molecule. This is a simple molecule. So they join the simple molecule together, become the big molecule, 变成大大的 molecule. Okay, but where is the energy? 它吸进来的能量就把这些 molecule 结合起来了 So what I'm drawing now here, 我正在画这的就是 energy 啦 So with the use of energy, we synthesize the complex molecule from simple molecule 这种情况就叫 anabolism 就是合成制造的意思 Okay, so what is anabolism? 什么叫 anabolism? Anabolism is a process of synthesizing complex molecule from simple molecule， 用简单的小小的分子结合合成大型复杂的分子了。And energy is absorbed during the reaction， 在它进行这种 anabolism 的反应的时候 ，energy will be absorbed， 能量被吸了进来。But any example 有什么例子呢？Every day, plant take in the carbon dioxide， 每天植物吸进二氧化碳 ，together with the water， 还有水，对不对 ？Okay， so carbon and water join together， 碳和水结合变成碳水化合物。Okay，and with the use of energy 啦，它也用到能量，那个能量就是太阳送来的能量啦。So for example, the formation of glucose, okay, from carbon dioxide and water during the photosynthesis， 就是光合作用。Okay， 它用碳和水呢形成碳水化合物啦。With the use of energy, but where's the energy come from? The energy actually come from sunlight， 它的那股能量就来自阳光嘛。Okay, copy first. So anabolism 把小型的分子变成大型分子 with the use of energy. Okay， 把水和二氧化碳变成碳水化合物啦。Okay, with the use of energy from sunlight. Okay, so now we go to another metabolism, catabolisms. So what's mean by catabolism? It's a process of decompose. 它就是一个过程 ，we decompose a complex molecule， 把复杂的化学分子解散 ，become the simple molecule， 变成简单的分子。Okay, so it's a process of decompose the complex molecule into simple molecule. And during the process, energy will be released. 在那个过程发生的时候，能量呢就会被放出来。Energy will be released， 能量被放出来。But any example 什么例子呢？ Okay. So catabolism is a process of breaking down the complex molecule into simple molecule. 它就是一个过程，把复杂的分子解散，变成简单的分子 in our body 啦。Okay, energy is released during the reactions. 这个时候，能量呢就会被放出来。But any example 有什么例子呢 ？Okay, so let's say now we having the glucose. Okay, we oxidize the glucose. 我们把我们的 glucose 解散，把碳水化合物解散。So finally, they become the carbon, become the water， 变成碳和水了。So that at the same time, our body become warm. They release the energy. 我们身体就热了，它放出能量。Okay.So for example, the breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water during the cellular respiration. So 当细胞氧化食物的时候，燃烧食物的时候，它放出二氧化碳加水，它把葡萄糖解散，变成 carbon dioxide and water. So the process release the heat energy. 那个过程放出热能。So now under your page number 1 or your cover, 你的封面 copy exercise page number 1 and 2 啦。So we go to the exercise page number 1 and page number 2。过后我们要看 exercise 一点点罢了，很简单罢了。Okay， 第一面和第二面。No past year because this title actually not in the old syllabus. So 没有看过它的 past year， 不过还是很简单罢了啦。So now how is exercise？ 它的 exercise 怎样的呢？简单啊。So complete the chart below， 把下面的 chart 填满一下。The type of metabolisms, anabolism. What's mean by anabolisms? It's a process of synthesize the complex molecule from simple molecule， 对不对？就是一个过程，制造复杂的分子 ，from where simple molecule， 把小型分子变成大型分子啦。So the formation of complex compounds。or large molecule from the simple material or small molecule 啦，用小小的化学分子结合变成大型分子 ，and the process use energy, it absorbs energy， 它吸收能量。Or what is mean by catabolism？ 什么叫 catabolisms？ Okay, it's a process of decompose a large molecule or complex molecule into simple molecule. So decomposition of the complex compound or large molecule into simple material or small molecule 变成简单的 material or small molecule. Next, number 2. Cellular respiration is a catabolic process. Is this statement true? Explain. Yes. Okay, cellular respirations. Okay, is a catabolic process or is a catabolism 呢？它算是这一种形式，叫做 catabolism. Is a statement correct? Yes. If explain why. Because in the process we oxidize the glucose into simple material called water and carbon dioxide. 因为你把它解散嘛，变成简单的矿物质，变成碳水或变成二氧化碳加水嘛。So yes, glucose is oxidized or decomposed to produce energy. Yes, 我们氧化 glucose or decompose glucose to produce energy. Carbon dioxide and water. 对。3. Suggest several types of food that can increase the body metabolism. So what are food that can increase the metabolisms? So if you want to build your body, if you want to join the simple material, become big material, become complex compound in your body, or build your muscle, build your body, you better eat more protein. 你应该吃更多的蛋白质 protein. So food rich in protein, okay? But any food that's rich in protein, for example, chicken mix, okay? Chickens. Or what? Red meat 红肉 okay? Or maybe egg 要不然就蛋 whatever 啦。4. Match a living process with the correct type of metabolisms. Okay, hydrolysis of protein and carbohydrate. Hydrolysis 一听到就叫解散了嘛。So catabolism 解散 hydrolysis. Protein synthesis 制造蛋白质 anabolism simple 啦。Okay, so another objective, page number 2, you try your own. Answer is just below, and the question is too simple, not suitable to discuss here. 太简单了，小孩子做的。Okay, so bye bye.